Hello, I'm Price Anderson, sales representative with Bose & Cox Limited Brokerage here in beautiful downtown Peterborough. Welcome to the open house edition of Let's Talk Real Estate for a Minute. This weekend we've got some great open houses that are being hosted by your local Bose & Cox team. 790 Donegal Street in Peterborough is offered at $359,900. This big bright family home has 2 full baths, a large living dining room, and beautiful hardwood, and it's situated on a double lot, 110 by 100 feet deep. This is open Saturday from 1 to 2:30 and Sunday from 1 to 2:30. 829 Cottingham Road in the Kawartha Lakes is offered at $609,900. Don't let the address fool you, it's only minutes from Peterborough. This completely renovated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is in a premier location just west of Peterborough on a stunning 1-acre lot surrounded on 3 sides by fields. No expense has been spared in this home, including quartz, granite, new flooring, and whitewashed shiplap walls. This is open Sunday from 1 till 3. 16 Eldon Court in Peterborough is offered at $575,000. Welcome to this meticulously maintained home in a desirable neighborhood. It's located on a cul-de-sac. This home boasts spacious main floor with dining room and living room with a gas fireplace with walkouts to balcony. It's a large kitchen and powder room and main floor laundry. This is open Saturday from 1 to 3 and Sunday from 1 to 3. And you can view a video of this on my webpage and my Facebook page. 31 Conger Street in Peterborough is offered at $484,900. This renovated century home in the old Teachers College area keeps its old world charm while boasting flawless modern amenities. As you enter the home through the revitalized original exterior door, you are greeted by 10-foot ceilings and the beautifully restored staircase. Come out Sunday from 1 to 3 and see this beautiful home. 105 Milroy Drive in Peterborough at $525,000. This is a 3+2 bedroom home and has everything you want. It's bright, open concept, living dining room, kitchen with gas fireplace, hardwood floors, and walkout to a large deck and fenced yard. 3 large bedrooms with master bedroom offering walk-in closets and en-suites, and that's just the main floor. Come out Saturday from 1 to 3 and Sunday from 1 to 3 to see this home. 25 Victoria Avenue in Peterborough is a charming 2-story home with large lot and income potential. This all-brick home features a large living room and dining room. Classically styled galley kitchen leads to a rear exit to a spacious yard. Come on out Saturday from 1 to 3 to see this home, and Sunday from noon to 2. Come on out and take a look at these properties. Let me know what your thoughts are. Leave some comments below, and I'll put the links to maps and information on the properties in the comments. Thanks for looking. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.